Number 20, create win-win solutions. It's a two-way street. Learn to think from others' perspectives and be careful to discover their needs. Collaborate with others to create solutions that meet their needs while also fulfilling yours. On win-wins, your success depends on theirs too. Why is teamwork important?
Because for teamwork, you want to have everyone's voices heard, everyone be in the team, and if everyone's not in the team, we might make mistakes because we don't have the right people.
Why is it important to hear other people's voices?
Because when you hear the people's voices, you get ideas, and those ideas build more ideas, which eventually leads to either very good success or a couple mistakes that you can fix, and that leads to very good success.
Number 6, do the right thing always. In the words of Dr. King, the time is always right to do what is right. Demonstrate an unwavering commitment to doing the right thing in every action you take and in every decision that you make. Even when no one's looking, always be honest and tell the truth. If you make a mistake, own up to it. Don't let pride keep you from apologizing and making it right. How does it make you feel when you have done the right thing?
So at Diamond C, we love doing the right thing for our customers because that means they get the best and the most that they can get out of their money. And we take pride from doing the best and most that we can do.
Can you give an example of the right thing to do in a classroom?
So what we've seen at Diamond C in classrooms is that some people go sit down, get their journals out in math class, and some people run around like it's recess because they come just back from recess. You probably have a lot of energy, and when you come back from recess, you're supposed to sit down and get started on your work. When you don't do that, consequences come, and sometimes it can be worse than when it was if you just sat down.